language and linguistics, communicative, and informative signals. At the end of this topic, students should be able to: firstly, differentiate communicative and informative signals. Secondly, provide examples for each type of signals. When we talk about the differences between human and animal communication, it is important to look at these two types of signals, communicative signals and informative signals. Communicative signals refer to behavior used intentionally to provide information. On the other hand, informative signals refer to behavior that provide information, usually unintentionally. Look at the two pictures. What can you tell me about these two babies? You would say, the two babies are sleepy. Did anyone tell you that the babies are sleepy? The answer would be no. No one tells you about it. Your response is based on what you see in the pictures. The two babies are yawning, and that is an indicator that they are sleepy. Now, decide whether this is a communicative or informative signal. It is an informative signal because the babies do not inform others directly that they are sleepy. Look at the same pictures again. How do you know that the babies are sleepy? Did anyone tell you that the babies are sleepy? There is an instructor that informs the students that the babies are sleepy. When the message is communicated intentionally, it is no longer an informative signal. It is now becomes a communicative signal. Look at this sign. If this sign is placed in front of a garden, will you enter the garden? No, you won't. You are not allowed to enter. Even though there is no one to tell you not to do so, you know what the sign means. Is the message a communicative or informative signal? It is a communicative signal. The meaning of the sign is specific, that is no entry. The owner intentionally put the sign to tell others not to enter the garden. Tell me what you think. Can animals send communicative and informative signals to other animals? Do you know that the vervet monkeys can make different vocal calls to indicate different types of danger? Do you know that the honeybee can communicate the location of a nectar source to other bees through the bee dance? Now, it is time for activities. Share outputs of your activities with your friends. Activity 1. Can animals communicate with human? Provide examples to explain your answer. Activity 2. Human can create many informative signals with different facial expressions and hand gestures. Share 2 of your photos communicating the different signals. Thank you. See you again in the next module.